Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. I had a pretty high list of demands for a storage cabinet for my office and gym space, but this steel wardrobe combination storage cabinet definitely met all of my needs. It has a clothes rod that you can put on the left or the right, and lots of very durable shelving. So whatever your storage needs are, I feel like this is going to meet them. It's made of a durable steel, so even though it's steel, the color looks good with the decor in my room. It's locking, so you can keep things secure, and it has feet that get it up off the floor and also level, which means it will be able to withstand different variety of flooring, but still stay level. The instructions were straightforward, step by step. They give you everything you need to put it together, and I didn't find it difficult. They include a screwdriver, but I always find it easier to use my own tools. I thought it was nice that they included one if you don't have one. All in all, this cabinet has been exactly what I need. Lots of storage, lots of variety and adaptability. It looks good and it locks. So I feel like it would fit into lots of different spaces, whether it's your home office, your garage, your laundry room. It's going to be the storage you need, but it's also going to look good. This has been just the storage we need, and it looks great. And that is my point of view.